Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have the right account permissions and that terminal access is allowed. Open the console app you prefer, Terminal, PowerShell, or CMD, and immediately navigate to your project folder with CD. Check with PWD or dir so you know your context. Once done, confirm your shell environment and path entries to ensure common tools run. You do this now to avoid permission errors and missing commands later, which saves time when you run the first commands. You will now execute the core commands that make the console useful. List files with ls or dir, use lattice hidden items so you can target the right file. Next, run your scripts directly /script, sh or with an interpreter Python 3 script. Py, set up and activate a virtualenv to isolate dependencies. Then install needed packages via npm install, pip install, or your system package manager. Make sure to read error output. It tells you what to fix next. Finish by cleanly stopping processes and saving results. Use Ctrl+C or kill with the process ID found via PS or task list and redirect output to a log file with file. Log so you have a record. Commit and push changes with Git to preserve work. If something goes wrong, check logs and environment variables, rerun the failing command with verbose or debug flags, and inspect path and permissions. A key tip: when commands behave oddly, run them with verbose output to reveal the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.